Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is meal preparation tips and tricks for a healthy diet. Certainly. Here are some more meal preparation tips and tricks for maintaining a healthy diet. 1. Portion control. Use measuring cups or a food scale to portion out your meals accurately. This helps you maintain proper portion sizes and control your calorie intake. 2. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Base your meals around whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Minimize the use of processed foods, which often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. 3. Cook in bulk and freeze. Cook large batches of soups, stews, casseroles, and grains, and freeze them in individual or family-sized portions. This allows you to have a variety of healthy meals readily available, even on busy days. 4. Pre-cut and pre-wash vegetables. Save time by pre-cutting and pre-washing your vegetables. Store them in airtight containers or Ziploc bags in the refrigerator, so they're easily accessible when you need them. 5. Pre-portion snacks. To avoid mindless snacking and overeating, pre-portion healthy snacks such as nuts, seeds, trail mix, or cut up fruits and vegetables into individual portions. This makes it easier to grab a healthy snack on the go. 6. Cook once, eat twice. When preparing meals, intentionally cook extra servings to use as leftovers for the next day's lunch or dinner. This helps save time and ensures you have a nutritious meal ready without resorting to less healthy options. 7. Experiment with spices and herbs. Flavor your meals with herbs, spices, and seasonings instead of relying on excess salt, sugar, or unhealthy sauces. Experiment with different combinations to add variety and enhance the taste of your dishes. 8. Incorporate a variety of colors. Include a wide range of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals to ensure you're getting a diverse array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Aim to have different colors on your plate for visual appeal and nutritional benefits. 9. Stay hydrated. Prepare infused water or herbal teas in advance and keep them in the fridge. This encourages you to drink more water throughout the day, which is important for overall health and helps control appetite. 10. Practice smart storage. Proper storage is essential to maintain the quality and freshness of your meal-prepped foods. Invest in quality, airtight containers to keep your meals fresh for longer. Label and date your containers to keep track of what needs to be consumed first. Remember, the key to successful meal prep is finding a routine that works for you. Start small, be consistent, and gradually incorporate new recipes and techniques into your meal prep routine. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.